Are you looking to capture more leads on your existing website? Our pop-ups are high-converting, customizable forms that can be added to almost any site to provide more opportunities for lead capture. Let's get started. Pop-ups are opt-in forms that can be triggered automatically by time or action, or manually by a user clicking on image, button, or a link. These can be added to any website builder platform that allows you to insert HTML code. One thing to note, these standalone pop-ups are separate from the ones that you create within a landing page or site to attach to a button within our builder. If you're trying to create a pop-up to attach to an element in a page you've made on our platform, you'll want to refer to our video on creating on-page pop-ups. From your account dashboard, select Conversion Tools on the left-hand navigation, followed by Pop-ups. Here you'll see a list of all created standalone pop-ups on your account. Click Create New Pop-up in the top right corner to open up the pop-up builder with a simple form layout. Feel free to change the style and layout as you see fit. Additional widgets can be dragged and dropped in from the Widgets panel on the left side. If you're looking to change the background settings for the pop-up, choose Layout on the left-hand side. Click the down arrow to roll open the pop-up section, and then select Section Style to be able to adjust background colors or images, as well as spacing and padding settings. If you're looking to capture lead information through a form, be sure to hover on the Form widget and select Edit Integrations to connect any email services or set form fields. More details on the Form widget in particular in our video on forms and integrations. If you have any tracking codes from third-party services you wish to add in, click on the Settings gear on the left-hand side to access fields where these can be pasted. Once you've configured the pop-up to your desired look, we're ready to publish. Click Publish in the top right corner to proceed. And you'll see a few options for how visitors will interact to see the pop-up on your page. The first three tabs, Plain Text, Button, and Image, are a standard pop-up where the visitor clicks on something to trigger it. In these, you can customize the text, the button style, or the image, depending on which you would like to use. A timed pop-up is one that will trigger after a visitor has been on a particular page for a set length of time. The first box controls how long that delay is, whether immediate or after a set amount of seconds. The second box controls how many visits before it appears. For example, if you want this to appear for people who return to your page a second time, but not on their first visit. The third box controls how long before it will appear again, after they have seen it. For example, if you want someone to see the pop-up, but then want it to wait 7 days before it will trigger again. The exit pop-up is one that is triggered by the visitor moving their mouse in a fashion that indicates an intent to exit the page. Normally, this is a rapid movement toward one of the topmost corners of the browser window. This box controls how long it will wait until being triggered again by the visitor leaving. Whichever option you choose, once you've configured the settings or styles, click Get Code, and a block of code will be presented. Copy this, and paste it into your website provider where you wish it to show. The standard text link, image, or button pop-up you'll want to place in your website code so the clickable element appears where you want it on the page. Since the timed and the exit pop-up don't have an on-page clickable trigger element, those can be added basically anywhere into your page HTML code. Please note that timed and exit pop-ups don't function on mobile devices, as they don't comply with mobile best practices, and most mobile browsers block these kind of functions from working. To learn more about our pop-up conversion tool, check out the help article below, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.